Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to go live on Coverstar. So if you want to go live on Coverstar, here's how you can do that. First up, you need to download Coverstar, or if not, just update it if it's not available on your phone. So what you have to do is just go to Play Store or App Store and just basically search up Coverstar. And right over here you'll be able to find Coverstar. If it says update, just update it, or if it's not downloaded, just download it. Once it's downloaded, right over here you'll see the plus icon right over here. As you can see, you just need to press on the plus icon right over here on the bottom, and it will ask you for permissions. Just give it permission right over here and allow it all the access, and once it's done, just press done, and you need to press on the plus icon again, and right over here you'll see the option of recording right over here. So right over here, if you don't see any go live or start your broadcast option, it means if you don't see it, your account may not be eligible, and some features yet are not available to users who meet certain age, account, or community requirements. They're being rolled out gradually. Make sure you're using the latest version of Coverstar app, as I told you before, as updating the app may unlock new features. And that's it. If this video guide helped you out, I'll see you soon next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.